This is the area known as Milford On Sea, or also known as Hordle Cliff top. Car parking is open all year round, and unlike Bournemouth car parks, they do charge all the year round here, although blue badge holders are free, unlike with BCP Council. I don't know the charges shown here for the winter season only, whether it's all the year round, but they do seem extremely more reasonable than the ones that were paying for anything with BCP Council. They also have toilets in the car park which are fully open and being used, and there's a refreshments kiosk which I can thoroughly recommend as being good quality food and very reasonably priced. That's the Isle of Wight and the Needles, centre of picture, and Needles obviously off to the right. I had to cut the original audio out of this video because it was a very blustery day, and even with a windsock on the microphone it was just horrendous wind noise going across it. Great pity really, because if you could have heard the noise of the sea and the waves crashing in, it's quite a thing a lot of you guys like to listen to. You really couldn't hear the sea over the noise of the wind. It's always been quite a decent fishing venue for winter and summer months. Fairly clean beach, there'll be a shingle and whatnot, as quite a lot of the beaches along this part of the coast are. I was quite surprised given the horrendous weather forecast. Storm Chiron, or Chiron, or however you're supposed to pronounce it, being forecast for wind, rain, floodings, Armageddon and so forth. Number of people actually out and about walking on the cliff tops and the beach. A very long, very steep flight of steps down to the seafront, to the actual beach itself. And when you look at flight of steps like this, what you have to remember is not walking down them, that at some stage you've got to climb back up them all. And I think we can see as much of the beach as we really can from up here. In fact, probably a better view from up here than actually on the beach itself. A very far distance, of course, we have the Purbex, and then the slightly less far distance, the entrance to Christchurch Harbour. There's a Labrador down there running the sea, and guarantee if there's a Labrador in this water they'll run into it. There you have it, Milford On Sea, or as many of the locals know it, Hordle Beach or Hordle Cliff top.